Hello everyone, welcome to Tommy Boy DIY. I'm your host Tommy, and this is my basement. I brought this channel to you. I'm going to show you projects. I'm going to teach you homeowners how to do this stuff yourself and not have to hire somebody to do all these projects and work around your house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I did this basement, I did a poker table, I did this arcade cabinet over here that my son Dylan is playing at, and then if you want to follow me around over here, I got a pool table down here that I put together myself. I can show you how to do that if you're interested. I did the dartboard on here that I put up. And I also did this nice pool cue cabinet right here, which I believe might have something surprise behind it. Let's take a look real quick and see what's going on here. Oh, hey, how you doing? My daughter Olivia, she was hiding here in the secret room. So what I'll do is I'll show you how I made this little secret door right here. A really neat little thing for the kids to hang out in. And I'll take you around. Did this nice little kids room for them with nice cubbies in the walls and stuff like that. And then there's another cubby underneath here. I'll show you how we did the closets over there, and I'll take you through all this, and then we'll show you how we did a little countertop here, made all this, did a little fridge, and then our first project in the next video I'll show you how to do this Keurig machine. It's got an auto feed system in it so that you can fill up the water. You don't have to fill the tank anymore. It'll do it automatically every time you brew a cup of coffee. So that's what we got going on. I got a lot more projects for you. I'm going to do some storage room shelving right now that I'm working on, and I'm going to get a wood shop going down here, and hopefully we'll be good to go. If you want to follow me, it's Tommy Boy DIY. I also have a website that's up in the works right now, TommyBoyDIY.com. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Tommy Boy DIY. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks.